Hi guys, welcome back to SMILEBOX. I'm your host, Dr. Bridget White, and I'm here to help you reach your smile goal one product at a time. Alright, so before we get started, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you click that subscribe button below and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. Also, if you're interested in participating in this month's Smile giveaway, I'm going to need you to head on over to my blog, drbridgetwhite.com, and subscribe so you can enter to win a free toothbrush, mouth rinse, flosser, paste, and a bonus item that I'm going to talk to you about in this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. One thing I love about SMILEBOX is that I'm able to talk to you guys about all the fun tools and gadgets and products on the oral care market. And the shelves are lined and it gets a little overwhelming. So if you have any questions about a particular item, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to take a look, give you my suggestions, and hopefully feature them in a SMILEBOX in the future. So when my patients come in, I'm always asking them, what do you do at home to take care of your teeth, right? I see a patient maybe 2, 3, 4 times a year, and at home, what you're doing every day to maintain a healthy mouth is really important. It's as important as coming in for frequent visits. So when we think about cleaning our mouths, we do two things. We mechanically want to remove food and debris, and we chemically want to introduce things that are going to kill bacteria and help strengthen our teeth and our gums. So a lot of times patients are concerned that they don't want to use a lot of these products that are highly manufactured, and they're looking for natural remedies. Well, of course they're natural remedies. They're things that have been used for thousands of years in all parts of the world. One tool that I'm going to talk to you about today is the Miswak. It's a chewing stick. It's indigenous to parts of Africa and the Middle East, and it's being used to actually effectively clean our mouths. One thing about the Miswak is it comes from a plant that actually has antibacterial properties. And then it's the structure of the Miswak. Its core is very, very fibrous, and chewing the Miswak actually mechanically removes food and debris. Also, the chemical, the antimicrobial agent, the antibacterial, helps to neutralize the bacteria that cause gingivitis and bad breath. And additionally, it stimulates our salivary glands. So I'm always telling my patients saliva is a friend. It actually has calcium and phosphate, and it helps us repair our teeth. So believe it or not, without toothpaste and without mouth rinse, your body has a natural mechanism to try to prevent cavities from forming and prevent them from causing problems. So the Miswak it's available now in the United States. You can purchase it online. You can go to your natural market. I'll put a link below where you can easily just click and find it for your family. And I want to invite you to talk to your friends about what they do at home to take care of their teeth. One of the greatest things about practicing in an area like Washington, D.C. is I meet patients from all over the world, and I get to see the trends. Do they have cavities? Do they have gum disease? What do they eat? What's their dietary regimen? How they clean their teeth? What value they actually attach to the oral care, and where I can help them meet their smile goal. The Miswak chewing stick has a lot of great properties. As I noted, it's antibacterial, it's fibrotic, but one drawback is that it just doesn't have the design of a modern toothbrush. One thing about modern toothbrushes is that they're designed to reach all the surfaces of our teeth. So we have surfaces that are hiding along the tongue, we have surfaces that are hiding along our cheeks. And so I do encourage you to try natural remedies, but not to overlook the importance of a great toothbrush. Whether it's a power tool or a manual soft toothbrush, there are a lot of toothbrushes that are effective. But natural oral care is something that has been used for thousands of years all across the world. So thanks for tuning in, and I'm so excited about SMILEBOX. This is a new endeavor for me, and hopefully it's helpful for you. I'll see you next time.